you guys, I'm getting ready to bleach this wig, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the knots are actually already bleached on this unit from YGwigs. I'm like really impressed by that. And this is the interior of the unit. You can look at it and see that it was bleached. You see? And it still got the tag on it. Y'all see the tag is still dry and everything. You know, I have not bleached this wig. It came bleached. I don't know if you can tell, but they put like a curved part in there for me already. I'm gonna probably do, well, I could do that. I can see the vision, the baby hair and stuff. But yeah.
Tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and now look who creeping, look who crawling, still ballin' in the mix. It's that 6'6" long slim nigga sticking your cheek, pulling tricks, looking slick at all times when I'm flipping. Bar sipping, car dipping, grand wood grain gripping, still tipping on, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, blowing on that endo, GameCube, Nintendo, 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window. These niggas don't understand me, cause I'm boss hog on candy, top down at Maxis with a big Glock 9 handy, pieced up, creased up, stand dressed to impress, big boss bill buckle under my Michelin S. Oh, Gucci shades up on my braids when I escalade, when I'm riding spree wheel sliding like a escapade. I got it made, the big boss of the north, ain't changed, I still represent Swisher House. Tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and
Fofos, I'm tipping, full grain, I'm gripping, catch me lane switching with the paint dripping, turn your neck and your day ain't missing, me and Slim, we ain't tripping, I'm figure flipping and syrup sipping, like do or die, I'm pole pimping, car stop, rims keep spinning, I'm flipping, drop with invisible tops, hoes bop with my drop, step out, I'm shaking the block with 418s, candy green with 11 screens, my gasoline always supreme, got Dora the brand with a pan of lean, it tastes grinding to be a king, it tastes grinding to be a king.
tipping on steel, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no packing, spoke, tipping on steel, rapping, spoke, rapping, spoke, pumping, spoke, humping, and no hacking, and no.
Note to self, stay true to self. Shorty, I can use some help. And you know what to do to help. Going in circles, trying not to lose myself. No, check up. How can I check up? Tell you I messed up. We could go somewhere nice, get pretty and get dressed up. Always said I should keep you fed and not fed up. Always said if I ain't happy, give you heads up. I would rather get you back down, long stroke, legs up. No, I'm for giving you the best love. No, I wouldn't give you nothing less love. Used to look at me and tell me don't stress, love. That's why I need you whenever I'm stressed, love. Cut me off, told me stay blessed, love. Hey, stay blessed. Changes. Right now I'm going through changes. We upgraded to a crib that's spacious, but this house is not a home without you, baby. Ain't shed a tear, you just laughed on me. Chuck the dude told me, stay blessed, told me. In due time, I regret, especially when I remember you was rapping when they slept on me. Hey, it's been too long, I gotta know what must I do to get me back right beside you? Whenever you decide to. Alright. Say it's what I get for lying to you. I can talk to you whenever, say whatever. Yeah, you was my best friend, so I lied to you. Used to look at me and tell me don't stress, love. That's why I need you when I'm stressed, love. Cut me off, told me stay blessed, love. Hey, stay blessed. Roll up the carpets, close up the curtains. Guess the show is over, I still love you, that's for certain. Self-righteous, but I'm dead wrong, that's for certain. If you're tryna make me crazy, baby, it's working. Hey, baby, it's working. Dealing with clown, cause know your life a circus. I'm still around, I bet he called you when he heard this. He scared you might take me back, I got him nervous. Tell him, baby, till he be nervous. And not because I buy you those expensive purses, but because the love you got for me is permanent. He threw me up under the bus, he say I'm undeserving. Don't give him no encouragement. I had to soak in some things, I needed nourishment. Look at me now, see a good really flourishing. I wouldn't trade my old life for my current one. No, I wouldn't trade a Venador for a hurricane. Why I trade a good woman for an immature one? Or a gold digger for an entrepreneur one? I'm saying, mama, you the one. Ain't no second time I fooled you once. Be true to you, that's something I don't do enough. Cut me off, shorty, I thought you was bluffing. Got me blowing up your line, what's up with you, what's up? Note to self, stay true to self. Shorty, I can use some help. And you know what to do to help. Going in circles, trying not to lose myself, no. No.
Give me the reason. back, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, then I got plenty of. I'll dedicate all my love until you want me back. I wanna stay by your side, be there to pull you up, and let you know everything will be alright.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for YGwigs. This is a 5x5 closure, okay? And I had pulled my hair behind my ear a little bit and I kind of like how that looks. I don't know if I'm going to keep it that way, but I just wanted to actually show you that it was possible. So I'm starting it off this way because I actually really do like the lace on this unit. I think the lace looks really good. The unit melts really well as well. I did use an elastic band to help like adhere the unit and melt it a lot better. Very natural, very deep parting space as well, by the way, which I really liked about this unit, because sometimes I get units and they claim that they're like a 5x5, but they kind of look a little bit shorter than that. But this one is a true 5x5 and I love that about it. It gives more like frontal vibes than it does closure vibes. And I just like the fact that if I wanted to, you know, on both sides, you know, I can pull my hair behind my ear, a situation like this if I wanted to. And this is what this is giving. So I really do like that, but I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like if you pull it out. Now, when I got this unit first of all came with bleach knots. So if you want to, all you have to do with this unit is just wash it, air dry it, boom, apply it, you're good to go. You don't have to bleach the knots at all. So I really do like this unit for that reason. I like the lace on it, and most importantly with this unit, and I have to speak on this because when it comes to a bob, this is like really important. It's very full, it's thick, the density is like perfect. I want to say this is probably about like 180% density or so. Like this unit is actually very full and thick, which I love about it. It's not one of those thin like fragile looking bobs. I really also like the cut that they did. I didn't have to do any extra cutting at all. This little piece is already short like this, but no extra cutting was done. And look just how bomb that is. Like I really like how it looks, how it moves, you know. And this bob is definitely giving like the Impossibles. Like this reminds me of like Edna from the Impossibles. This is the vibe. Let me come up close so y'all can see the actual texture of the hair and what it's giving. Okay, that's what she's giving. And like I said, you do get a lot of parting space with this unit. This unit actually came in like a side part, so they had it like something like this, which is still cute, and I was thinking about doing that. So it's supposed to be like one of these, which might be hard for me to do because I done pressed the heck out of this. Yeah, I had just did something similar to that not too long ago, like when I did a bob. So I just wanted to do just a classic middle part. It's giving Money Mike. It's giving Money Mike. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. And because it is a 5x5, you obviously get a lot of space here in the front. The track's in somewhere around here for this side. Yeah. So that's how much space you get from here to there. You get a decent amount of space. So I really like the space on this unit, but I really wish I would have picked a different top because you're really not getting what it's supposed to give. And I know this may sound crazy, but I might go do that right now and come back. Okay, y'all, so I put something on that's like off the shoulder so you can really get to see what the Babiana is giving. Okay. Yeah, I really do like this unit, you guys. So earlier you guys saw that I just had this unit on, but I really just wanted to show you guys what it looked like with something that's off the shoulder. Once again, like I said, this unit is from YGwigs, and you know, I've worked with them quite a bit, but one thing that I do want to say that I like is the fact that they really do have a lot of units that come pre-custom already. They have a lot of units that are already dyed for you, already styled for you, already cut for you. The lace is usually really really good as well, and I really like that about them. The only thing that I don't like about their units sometimes is that it'll come with like a perfume type of fragrance to it. It never like stinks like fish, but it has like a perfume scent to it. But I noticed in this unit they didn't do that, so maybe they're like cutting back on that. Maybe certain units do that, but certain ones don't. But this one didn't come with like any kind of smell, so I really do like that about it, because I don't want my unit to smell like anything. I don't want it to smell like perfume. I don't want it to smell like fish. I just want it to smell like hair. Okay, and like I said, if you guys want to, you can definitely add baby hairs to this unit, but if you don't want to, you can go for a more natural look. This is what it's giving without any of that. I will pull some of the hair back, and I did pluck this unit, so if you guys are wondering if any customizing was done, yes, I did go ahead and pluck the unit. The hairline on here, everything just looks really, really good. I really do like this bob. I don't really do bobs often, so you know, I'm really liking this one. Yeah, I like rarely ever do a bob, so I really do like this look on me. You guys know I'm usually like 30 inches or longer, okay? Like that's just more so my vibe, but this is what it's giving. I like the flow to it, and I like how they cut it. I think they did a really good job cutting this unit. Like I didn't have to add any extras to it. The only thing I don't like right now is just like this piece right here that's just a little bit shorter than the rest of it, but keep in mind they did like customize this unit prior to, and this was meant to be like an side part, so probably how they cut it when it was an side part, that's why this piece is a little bit shorter. It didn't come like in a middle part. But yeah, maybe like a flip over kind of vibe, or no part at all. You know, this is really cute though. I really do like this unit. And like I showed y'all earlier, if you want to, you can pull like some of the hair back and like have a little piece like that going, you know. She's cute. I like her. She can do a little flip over action like this. I'm just trying to show y'all a couple of different ways that you can style it, or not. It's up to you. But yeah, I kind of like it with the pull back look. And mind you, this is a closure unit. This is not a frontal. This is a closure. So that's pretty bomb. I really do like that. Like this is really, really nice, and the quality of this hair is like really nice as well. So shout out to YGwigs. If you guys are interested in checking this unit out, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the information and details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover today and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.